Motorola Moto G4 Plus volume button replacement. This guide will walk you through the process of replacing the volume buttons in a Motorola Moto G4 Plus phone. Insert a fingernail or a spudger into the notch on bottom edge of the phone near the charging port. Pry the back cover away from the body of the phone. Continue to gently lift the back cover until all plastic clips have been released. Remove the back cover. To reinstall the back cover, align the cover over the body and gently press all around the edges until you feel the clips snap into place. Slide out and remove the SIM card. Remove the 19 3.1mm T3 screws securing the mid-frame. Use the point of a spudger to pry up the rubber cover over the camera flash connector. Remove the rubber cover. Use the point of a spudger to pry up and disconnect the camera flash connector. Loosen the mid-frame along the edges and lift it away from the body. Remove the mid-frame. Be very careful not to puncture the battery with any sharp tools. A damaged lithium-ion battery can catch fire and/or explode. Peel up and remove the tapes securing the battery wires. Peel up and remove the black tape that bridges the battery and the phone. While neither tape pieces are necessary for the operation of the phone, save them if they are in good condition for the reinstallation process. Slip the point of a spudger underneath the red and black battery wires and gently pry straight up. Do not pull the plug out, or you will tear the board socket out. Be careful where you pry. Do not pry against the board socket. During reassembly, align the connector in its socket, then press straight down to reconnect it. Use tweezers or your fingers to deroot the battery wires from the plastic brackets. Peel the black pull tab from battery and pull slowly but firmly to separate the battery from the frame. A few drops of high concentration, 90% or higher, isopropyl alcohol along each side may help soften the adhesive. If the pull tab breaks, use a spudger to gently pry around the edges of the battery until it comes loose. Don't deform or puncture the battery, it can catch fire and/or explode if damaged. Never reinstall a damaged or deformed battery. Replace the battery. Remove the battery. To install a battery, orient the new battery such that the wires exit near the bottom of the phone, and the battery connector is on the motherboard side. Clean off any adhesive residue which may prevent the battery from sitting flush against the frame. Use a few https://www.ifixit.com/guide/how to use +a pre-cut adhesive sheet /113604 or some https://www.ifixit.com/store/tools/tessa-61395-tape/if317-072-1 to secure the battery to the frame. Using tweezers, lift up the black silicon piece connecting the motherboard to the front casing. Using tweezers, remove the red and black cable connecting the motherboard to the front casing. Using a spudger, remove the two metal pieces connecting the motherboard to the front casing. Using tweezers, remove the yellow film connecting the rear camera to the motherboard. The film is connected by an adhesive, so it may take some jostling to remove. Remove two 4.0mm T3 Torx screws connecting the motherboard to the front casing. Using a spudger, lift up and remove the motherboard. Using tweezers, remove the volume buttons.